We are going to talk about the JavaScript array that find method, findIndex, findLast, and findLastIndex. They're so correlated, that's why I just put this in one video. So I have a test data in here with an array of fruits, which has a name, an emoji, a price, and available. And using this data, we'll test what are the proper usage of these array that find and all these things. So let's try to do first the array that find. By description, the array that find method returns the first element that meets the condition. So example, I have a cons. I want to find the banana in there using the name banana. So cons banana is equals to fruits. I will append now to the method fruits that find, and the dot find method accepts a callback function as well. I'm just gonna call it fruit, and if I want to find if um, fruit that name is equals to banana, I'm gonna show it, and then let's just try to console.log it here. So I'm just gonna console.log array that find banana and then the banana. So let's try to do that. Okay, so now it's here. It's true because yeah, it's here. It's banana. It found the item, the first item, and then it will return it. So that's just how the that find works. And then moving on with find index, it returns the index of the first element that meets the condition. So let's just try to copy this one and paste it here. No, this one and paste it here. And this time I want to name it watermelon. Just gonna find index just like that. I'm just gonna change it to index. Find index fruit name is banana. So array that let's just remove that. So just we have a something like a title. So right now it's true. It's in index 1 right here. So name of banana is index 0 and 1. So it only found the index. What if we try another fruit? So the index of this watermelon is found in 0. So it's 0 index. So that's just the find index. Instead of returning the actual object or the actual element, it returns the array index of that element. So moving on with the find last method. The find last method returns the last element that meets the condition. How it works is that it reverses the array and returns the first element that passes the test. In simple terms, it just returns the last element that it found that meets the condition. For example, find last fruit where price is greater than 1. Okay, so if you will use a find method in here, it should be the answer should be watermelon. But now we're finding the last, which is the price is greater than 1, then this one is greater than 1. So the most probably the answer is pineapple, and let's try to check. Okay, it's pineapple because it's the last one. But if I will use find in here, it will say that it's the watermelon. So there, right there. So it's just a reverse of the find method. Instead of first, it finds the last item right here. Then moving on with the last one, array that find last index. I think you already got the idea in here that it returns the last index of the element that meets the condition. Behind the scenes, it reverses the array and returns the first index of the element that passes the test. So the find last method, let's try the find last method finds the last index. So it returns the index. So it's the same as logic in here with the find index. But this one finds for the first item. But right now, this one is finding the last item and returns the index. So let's try. So find last index of an available item. It's 2. Okay, so it's here. It's 0, 1, so it's last index. And if I just put find index, it will be 0, right? Okay, so it's 0. So that's just how the JavaScript that find index, find last, and find last index works in JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed the video.